Today we're doing Can Kids Cook?
Yeah.
Part 2. And this time we are doing milk chocolate brownies. And this time we're gonna actually follow the recipe on the box instead of on somebody's iPad. So I can't wait. Let's get started. So first of all, we need 3 tablespoons of water.
Wait, we have to open up the box.
We have to do this first.
Can I pour that in?
Yeah. Let me open it first.
Ooh.
Can I get some scissors, please, Safety Ghost?
Scissors.
Thank you. Ooh. Thank you so much.
Safety.
Thank you, Safety Ghost.
I put that on that thing.
Put that in. Just put the box aside, just in case.
Oh, that sounds good.
Mmm.
Safety Ghost, this sounds good.
And if you didn't watch the part 1, go check it out after this video. I don't know if it's gonna be linked, but it may be up there or there or there. Somewhere.
It's up there.
Yeah, it's somewhere up here.
No, it's up there.
Let's just put that aside. Now we can do 3 tablespoons. We have a tablespoon right there.
Yep.
And we can
Pour the
just
water
do it. One more.
I mean, ooh, there you go.
Okay, that's done. Now we need half a cup of vegetable oil. Okay. What do we need? Half a cup. What is half a cup? Okay. See, this. I think it's this one too.
One is just go down.
That's a lot of vegetable oil. Half a cup, right?
Can I pour it in?
Wow, that's a lot.
Wow, it's a lot.
You take that one on the shelf. So then I throw that one in.
Am I right, Safety Ghost?
So much.
Hey, you can put it in. I knew this was gonna help us, but
Okay. We can take some of those.
and you want to cook. Just put it right there for now. I need to go wash my hands. I'll be right back. While Miles tries to figure that out, he'll be. I'm back.
Am I lucky?
Now stir.
Yeah, Safety Ghost
Do we
good
beat
now.
the egg while mixing it?
Can you show a second? Can you show first and I show second?
It's a lot of brownie mix. I don't think we have a lot of watery stuff. Oh, now it's going. Here it is so far, guys.
That was really good, right?
It smells delicious.
Can I show him now?
There's a lot of brownie mix. It's not getting mixed.
It's not getting mixed.
There you go. So we just got it all mixed. And now Miles is stirring to make sure all the clumps are gone.
Yeah.
And then while he's doing that, I will spray the pan. I've never done this before. That's a lot of oil.
There you go.
Is that enough or is that a lot?
Probably. How are we looking?
No,
We
no
ready?
bubbles.
We ready?
Can we make this after we're done? Oh, there's a dripple. There's a dripple.
Okay, you wanna start?
I will wait.
No, no.
I will wait that.
Usually when we're making brownies, our mom usually does this.
Yeah.
But
Maybe with that, check the dough when you're done. I can do it. I'm really good at doing it.
I don't know if something's in the way, but here, I'm trying.
Did I touch your arm out there? I'm so safety doors. What?
Okay, the only thing now to do is put it in the oven, and the safety ghost will do that for us, and we'll come back to you, I guess, when we're checking it out, or when we're eating it. I don't know, but we'll get back to you, okay?
Yeah.
Let's just put it in the oven.
Six, five, four, three, two, one. Let's get the brownies.
Whoa.
They're still good right now.
Don't touch them, it's hot.
These were my brownies.
So we're gonna let them cool. And in like 5 minutes, we'll check back and see how they taste, okay?
All right, guys, we're gonna put them on the plate and taste them and see what we think.
Though the safety ghost is good at being safe, the safety ghost is bad at cutting brownies.
Why don't you let the safety mom cut them? Huh? Oh, that's the best piece right there. It is not cooled yet.
It is not cooled
Let
yet.
it sit for a minute.
That is very hot.
Don't eat it. Let it cool.
And BTW, we did not cut these.
Yep. It was the safety door.
Safety ghost.
Bad cutting brownie ghost.
Oh.
So I think we're gonna taste them right now, but first we're gonna talk about how they look.
Yeah.
Right now, it's like dark brown on the inside and light brown on the outside, and then we saw like a strip of brown, like dark brown weirdness that happened to our cookies.
Yeah.
So, I mean, did you already taste them?
A little piece.
Guess let's try them. 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Little hot, but whoa. That's really good. We made good brownies. Parents want to taste them? No?
I will.
Good.
Here's these.
Yeah.
Okay, I'd like to taste it too.
Thank you.
Mmm.
Did the kids make good brownies?
Very good brownies.
They're really good. You guys did a good job. Mmm, they're soft. but
They're
not too
moist.
gooey.
Yep.
I like gooey brownies.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Perfect. Good job, guys.
You made brownies.
No help. Except for this safety ghost, but
You know, we go with brownies. A glass of.
Beer.
milk.
Oh, I was close.
Well, that's all that we have for you today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the cookie video while you're at it.
Yeah.
Bye guys. Don't forget to bring home the milk. So
Two milks.